I mean, how could you hate on this? Anyway, it's a classic Chevy K1500. It's such a classic truck. I don't know how people can hate on this, but they do. And today, guys, Trucks and Water here, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. This is the first ever video I've done on this kind of topic, but I think it needs to be done because there's a lesson at the end of it that I want to tell you all. But we'll get right in this video. This past weekend, I uploaded a video of the before and after my truck currently. So I bought the truck when I was 19 years old, and then the truck is today. So it's been about 3 years since I've owned the truck. It was a 3-year anniversary last weekend. So happy 3 years, babe. Anyways, but apparently that photo went viral all through Instagram. Like, it went on the Instagram main page. I don't know why. I didn't promote it. I didn't do anything. I just uploaded it and it just went viral. It's got, like, right now it's hovering around almost 1,800 likes. And if you liked it, thank you all so much for your support and stuff. It's crazy how much support I get from you all, and I can't thank you all enough for that. But a lot of it, and then the comments started rolling in, was like a lot of hate comments that I don't know who the people are and stuff, and I want to say some of them out loud. I'm not gonna read all of them, but I want to say some out loud and kind of give my opinion on it, because it needs to be said, needs to be addressed. I'm not gonna name Instagram names. I'm not gonna promote these people, so I'm just gonna name out what they said. One said, "Wish you kept the original classic look instead of copying every other trucker." I think my truck's pretty unique. I mean, it's on a leveling kit, on 420s, which not a lot of people do on these trucks. So, you know, I don't know what. Okay, this one guy, if my son put street tires on his truck, I ought to whoop his ass. Okay, so what you're telling me is basically you would kick your son's butt because he put something on his truck that he wanted. That makes a lot of sense right there. And Father of the Year award goes to you, buddy. See here. Someone said that took 3 years. I get that question a lot. What it was I didn't know if I wanted to keep the truck, if I wanted to sell the truck, and then I kept going back and forth on what lift kit I wanted, what wheels and tires I wanted, what a lot of stuff I wanted to do on the truck. So that's why it took so long to really start the build process, where I really just honestly didn't know what I want. And you can ask my girlfriend or any of my friends, I'm very anal and OCD about my truck, so I want to make sure everything I pick is exactly what I want for my truck. I don't have any regrets. It looked better stock. Take those ugly push guard off the front and those tow mirrors. I mean, if that's your personal style, you don't like it, then build your own. I mean, this is my style and I love it. Looks the same. Again, you probably don't watch the videos. It's a Chevy, so that was your first mistake among many. I'm not, okay, here's a misconception that people give me a lot, especially in person. They ask me, I am not loyal to one truck brand. I like stuff about Chevy, I like stuff about Ford, I like stuff about Dodge or Ram now, and Nissan and Toyota. There's always certain things I like about each truck group, and there's always going to be issues with each truck manufacturer. So I'm not partial to one thing. This truck is like built on a Monday truck. It's been the most reliable truck I've ever bought. Knock on truck. It's just amazing how well this truck was built, and I've fallen deeply in love with this truck because of just how lucky I really got. So that's why, I'm not really partial to any brand. A lot of it looks better stock. I guess it's because like people like the more grandpa look. I'm not into that. I hate chrome. I hate, stuff like that. It's just not my style. When people say go back, it was at that moment he knew he effed up. No. I mean, that's your opinion. I love the truck. I built the truck for myself, really. LMAO, stock 2 truck with a rims, tow mirrors, and some gay push bar. Jesus, were the rims worth more than the truck? No, the truck wasn't. Sorry, Lord, for cussing. The rims were not worth more than the truck or the wheels and tire combo. I've been offered a lot of money for this truck, and I've turned it down because I can't find another one to replace it. Again, you probably don't watch the videos. Take the gay-ass push guard off. Yeah, that's coming off soon anyways. I don't like the style of it anymore, so that's coming off anyways. And the last one is, it looked better originally, should have just added a 3-inch lift with mud tires. I am eventually going to up this to a 3-inch level lift kit because I want to run some 22x14s. But I'm going to stick with probably another 420 Nano or Toyota Proxy. because of the fact that it doesn't go off-road. There's no point in me having an aggressive mud tire if it doesn't go off-road. I like the quietness, I like the way it rides now. It rides wonderfully. I was like a stock truck. So what's my point in all this? Well, a lot of you have been asking how to start a YouTube channel, an Instagram page, and stuff like that. Honestly, I tell people a lot. I said, find what you're passionate about. Make sure you like or tolerate video editing, and go for it. Is honestly what it is. But you gotta understand is people are gonna like that, are gonna hate on you. They're not gonna understand where you come from, because 95% of the world's population, maybe not 95, maybe about 90% of the world's population will wake up in the morning, go to work, go home, go to bed, and repeat. That's all they do. They may have a vacation in there sometimes. They may live for the weekend. I don't like living for a weekend. I like living for the moment. Yes, I work a 9-to-5 job, or, well, 7-to-3 job, or sometimes later I work overtime a lot. But at the end of the day, I always have something forward to look going home to, or look something forward, you know, at work. I love what I do. I love contracting. I love building stuff. I love being part of that process. But I also love the fact that I get to go home and live my dreams and build my truck and help other people and video edit it and stuff. I do truck reviews and stuff. It's one of those things, guys, to where I had to learn this as a younger kid. Cause if you've seen my 2 series on like how trucks and water came about, you know the last one I talked about my past and stuff. I'm not gonna go into really detail. You can watch that. Tag will be popping up now. But I had to learn at an early age that, you know, people's judgment on you doesn't matter. For every one hate comment I've gotten hundreds and hundreds of messages saying thank you so much for your content, thank you for bringing this kind of content to YouTube, thank you for the help, or you inspire me to do this. I had one kid say he was like a flunk out of high school, and my videos never give up your dreams. He went to automotive school, became an auto tech, and he graduated with an automotive degree, but I think before he even graduated high school, or right when he graduated high school, and he got a really good job now. Like, that inspires me to keep pushing and keep doing what I'm doing. 'Cause I've been in people's shoes before where you're down in the dumps. You don't know what you want to do with your life. I mean, I'm not saying I 100% know what I want to do now, but this is one of the things that I want to keep doing with my life. And I've been there. I've done that, and I want to help you out in the process. You know, Trucks and Water is not just about trucks. It's about the lifestyle. It's about hanging out with your buddies on the weekend. It's about taking your girl on a date in your truck. It's about you know, when I get diesel, it's going to be about diesel trucks. Well, the channel is a little bit about diesels, but be about diesel trucks and modifying that truck and building it and showing you all that you don't have to be this SEMA dude that's got $300,000 in his truck. Honestly, if I tally up the numbers on this truck before, we'll put maintenance costs in it, before like your basic oil changes, gas, and stuff like that, I probably have around 10 to 12 grand in the truck, honestly. I got the truck on a super awesome deal from one of my dad's buddies that owned it. He got us a deal on it, and I couldn't pass it up. So I got about 10 to 12 grand in the truck, and for 3 years, that's not bad at all. And I love it. I mean, there's still stuff I need to fix. There's body work that needs to be done. It's a 21, 22-year-old truck. I mean, it's got stuff that's got to get done on it. But at the end of the day, I love this truck. I love the YouTube channel. I love the supporters. Like, if you're a true supporter and you watch in almost every video or whatnot, I want to thank you all so much for your support. It really, from the bottom of my heart, it means the world to me that you all take time out of your day, your busy schedules, to tune into my channel. I know lately content's been kind of sparse. Like, when I'm uploading stuff, it's been crazy. I'm trying to get back to a normal schedule, but a lot more videos are coming up, guys. We got a lot more truck meets and stuff like that. But I want to help you all out. If you have anything that you want to message me about, please message me on Instagram. I know sometimes it'll take forever to come back, and if it's urgent, type urgent exclamation mark or something like that if it's you want me to see it, because I gotta filter through some of the messages. Now, Instagram is a business for me. YouTube, of course, is a business. I make money off of it, so I can't post every truck someone sends me. But you also gotta understand, guys, I've been in your shoes. If you're 16 years old watching my channel, or turning to the age where you can drive in your state, make sure, I mean, you know, I've been there. I've had the crappy truck before. I loved it. It was a 96 Dodge Ram 1500 5.9 Magnum V8 two-wheel drive truck on XD Spy 18x9 wheels. I've had the crappy truck before. I know what it's like to be in and out of the shop constantly with problems and stuff like that, but I love that truck. I know where you are coming from, but keep pushing guys. Some of these guys at the SEMA thing, you think, oh, he's got daddy's money, oh, he's got mommy's money, oh, he's got some kind of, you know, he was born this way. A lot of these guys I've met, guys, they work from the ground up. It took them years and years and years to get to the point where they go to SEMA with these trucks. Now, some guys got lucky, yeah, they were born into money or whatever, and you can't look at those people, they're the rare few out of all of them. But the difference between those guys and the people that don't make it and complain on you know, Instagram and bash people and stuff is they took that one step for that brighter future. If these people took the time, instead of typing out a hate message because they can't get over the fact that they don't have something they're proud of like that, and spent that time making a YouTube channel, making an online business, working in their own company, working at their own workplace, trying to get that promotion, trying to get that degree in college and take that next step in life, you know, this world would probably be a lot better place. But of course, it's the internet keyboard warrior mentality is what it is. And I'm not complaining about these haters, guys. I could give two craps less. I build my truck for me at the end of the day. When I look outside at night and I make sure my truck's like, I always smile because, you know, it's my truck, it's my vision, you know, I love it. And yeah, it's going to be constantly changing with new parts coming out, of course, but it's what I love. And you know, if you can find something you love, whether that's YouTube or whatever, please, please pursue it, guys. I've been in that rut. You know, you don't know what you want to do, but find what your niche is and just go 100% at it. You know, I eat, sleep, and breathe YouTube at this point. That's all I think about. It's all I do. I mean, even when I'm on dates with my girlfriend and we're supposed to be having like a no social media, no YouTube thing, it's always constantly running in my head with new ideas, new people to collaborate with and stuff like that. But again, I want to thank you all so much for the support. Thank you for over 3,100 subscribers, guys. It's unreal. I just want to appreciate each and every single one of you tuning in the channel. And like I said, this isn't like, I don't need any sympathy in the comments. I don't need, you know, saying how great I am and stuff like that. This is just to make you aware that I'm human just like you. And that I have haters now because, you know, I'm starting to get up there and people know who I am. And it sucks because I want to help those kind of people. I want them to see, instead, take that energy with the hate and transform that into productivity, you know. And I'll be honest, haters fuel me. They fuel me to do bigger and better things because they're always going to be there and they're always going to try to sling us down, guys. If you have a vision, if you have a dream, if you have anything, go after it. So I'm sorry for if it's more of a rant or a longer video. But again, like I said, thank you all so much for tuning in. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the Trucks and Water channel, join the family. We're constantly growing, constantly doing new, better, cooler things, guys. So like I said, thank you all so much for watching. All of you, have a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.